Hello dear students, through this video clip we'll learn the second type of tense, which is past tense. So let's begin. Furtherly, the next type of past tense is simple past, other name of it past indefinite. Okay, simple past या past indefinite. Say its identification, पहचान. How can we identify? Its identification is A. At the end of the sentence, you will get this sound, A. Now, what we use? Past tense में क्या use करते हो? Subject plus V2 plus object. Only V2 we use in past tense. Okay, nothing else. Then helping verbs. Helping verb of past tense is did. Remember that when you are going to use did, so you have to use V1 with did. You can't use here V2, V3. If you are going to use did, then plus with did you have to use V1. And when we used it, we used it for the negative and interrogative sentences. We used it at the time of negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Okay, have a look for some examples. First one is that मैंने गाना गाया. मैंने गाना गाया. At the end you can see the sound gaya. A sound is here. So here you can see in identification A. I sang a song. Sing की V2 क्या होती है? V2 we have to use ना. So verb की second form of sang is sang. I sang a song. Okay. मैं कल स्कूल नहीं गया. For the negative sentence, I did not go to school yesterday. This is negative sentence. So we are using here did and also V1. Okay. Next, क्या उसने गाना गाया? This is an interrogative sentence. So for interrogative sentence, we use did. Did he sing a song? Did we are using here, also we are using V1. Okay. Next kind, which is past continuous. In previous clip, we learned that when we see the continuous word, at that time we have to use V1 plus ing. Anywhere we see the continuous word, there we have to use V1 plus ing. जहाँ कहीं भी आपको continuous word नज़र आता है, वहाँ पे आपने V1 plus ing जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं वो यूज़ करना है. बताया था ना कि जो ing है that is loyal personality. V1 can cheat but ing never cheat. Okay. So come on, its identification. Identification is that रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. Clear? Now what we use? Subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing plus object. Now, where we use was and were. Was we use for the singular things plus person's name, and were we use for the plural things and we, you, they. Clear? Now, let's see some examples. वह स्कूल जा रहा था. At the end you can see the sound raha tha. वह स्कूल जा रहा था. He was going to school. वह स्कूल नहीं जा रहा था. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. He was not going to school. नेक्स्ट, क्या वह स्कूल जा रहा था? इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. Was he going to school? Okay. Next type of past tense is past perfect. First of all, you should be aware about its identification. That is चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे. Clear? चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे. What we use? Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. In previous class we discussed that there are only just 3 personalities which are perfect: has, have, had. There is a clash among them, and the clashing is that one person will discuss about the past, and जो past के बारे में discuss करेगा it will be past perfect. So had is the past perfect. Okay, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Okay, next is examples. वह अपना पाठ याद कर चुका था. He had learnt V3. He had learnt his lesson. 2 बजे तक अध्यापक ने सारे टेस्ट चेक नहीं किए थे. इसके पीछे ये भी साउंड आ सकती है, किए थे, गए थे, लाइक दिस. 2 बजे तक अध्यापक ने सारे उत्तर चेक नहीं किए थे. द टीचर had not checked all the answers by 2 p.m. The teacher had not checked all the answers by 2 p.m. This is negative sentence. Next, जब आप स्टेशन पहुंचे, क्या रेलगाड़ी आ चुकी थी? Had the train arrived when you reached the station? Clear? This is an interrogative. Next type of past tense is past perfect continuous. Now, 2 tenses are combined here, past perfect and continuous. Okay, let's come on its identification. से रहा था, से रही थी, से रहे थे. What we use? Subject plus had plus. See that in 4th kind we'll play the bean. बताया था ना कि बीन बजानी है आपने, because we are combining 2 tenses, past perfect and continuous. When we are going to combine these 2 tenses, then we have to play a bean. तो bean बजा देना. Okay, subject plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus since or for we use in this tense. See some examples. बच्चा सुबह से ही रो रहा था. The child had been crying since morning. Why we are using here since? Because we don't know which morning. So for this we are using since morning. मतलब सुबह से ही रो रहा था. सचिन 2 सालों से क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहा था. Sachin had not been playing cricket for 2 years. Okay. Next. Interrogative. क्या बच्चा पिछले 15 दिनों से बीमार था? Had the child been sick for the last 15 days? Okay, our today's topic is over. Next tense we learn in the next class. Thank you.